Okay, so I'm not gonna do a long introduction, I'm just gonna jump straight to it. First of all, hello. First of all, I'm Alexandra. First of all, this is my YouTube channel. If you like my vibes, please subscribe, it'll help me out a lot. First of all, if I sound bunged up, it's because I am bunged up because my daughter keeps lovingly giving me calls that she's getting. First of all, whenever I post these kinds of videos, people are like, well, these are not free buttons, are they? Because they're asking for my email address. And I'm like, sorry, these are pretty much free, and if the only thing you're gonna have to pay is your email address, I think you can handle this. So welcome to my almost free patterns video. I put together a list of 15 lovely patterns for you. I've got my list here. Let's just go. The first one is the Willow waist free dress. I really want to sew this dress. It looks beautiful, it looks simple and lovely. I saw this kind of dress on Instagram and I was like, man, like I really want to make this dress, and I'm so glad that I have a tutorial, I have a waist free pattern to make it. And when I mean I really want to make this dress, I have this fabric, or this fabric that I'm considering. This is more of a linen, so it would be like really nice and flowy, and this is more of a poplin cotton, and so there will be a more structure. I don't know which one to go for, so if you could help me decide, that would be great. Please comment below. Anyways, moving on to the next dress. You won't believe this, but it is the M7969. For free. Alright, so Minerva said, listen, if you give us your email address, we'll give you this pattern for free. Now, most of us have paid really good money for this pattern. I've paid good money for this pattern. I made it. It's gorgeous. I recommend it. So if you haven't paid money for this pattern yet, don't do it. Just give your email address and get it for free. Gorgeous pattern, so easy to make. Highly recommend it. I am emotionally attached to the M7969 because I made it 2 summers ago, and last summer I wore it while I was pregnant, and I loved it, absolutely loved it. And moving on, oh, such a beautiful dress, this one, the Claudine dress. I love their white version, so beautiful. And to me, this is the kind of dress you'd wear on a Saturday when you just pop into coffee shops with a pair of really nice chunky sandals, a tote bag, your sunnies. I feel like it's just such a good pattern. I can't believe it's for free. Alright, so the next one is the Ria dress. You could overlook this pattern and think there's nothing special about it. I think you make this in a really nice black linen, and then you put some really nice sandals with it. You're good to go to your office job. You know those days when it's super hot and you're like, I really need to wear something that makes me look put together, but I also don't want to sweat in the office. I feel like this is such a good dress for those office days. And the next one is the Barcelona dress. I've mentioned the Barcelona dress for an awesome free pattern video, but I think it's worth bringing to your attention as a summer pattern because it's delicious. You can make it so cute, so flirty, ready for your French beach vacation that you are definitely gonna go on. I know you will. I know fancy people watch these videos. Okay, so the other one is the Babydoll dress. Now this dress really reminds me, gosh, I'm so bunged up. Just a second, I need to blow my nose. Okay, moving on. Please don't offer wet wipes, that's all I have to say. Okay, so the next one is the Babydoll dress. Such a beautiful dress, and it's just one of those dresses that I can imagine you just always want to put on, because first of all, it's gorgeous. Second of all, it's breezy. Third of all, even if you have 30 burritos for lunch, you still look great in it. No problemo. This dress really reminds me of a dress I saw on Pinterest, and I think white linen, push, bish, bash, bush. Lovely. This is me trying to take a thumbnail photo, and you're welcome. Click, patterns, free, click. So we're moving into tops. The first one is the Albion top. Now, you could make this in linen and you're good to go for the summer, but I want to bring an idea to your brain. Why don't you make this in an organza? You put that with a pair of really nice trousers. And listen, that could be your wedding guest outfit. It's gorgeous. Nonetheless, casual or not so casual, delicious. Anyway, gosh, I was so happy when I came across this pattern. It is the square neck top, such a good basic. Yeah, what else is there to say? Bish bash bosh, you would look so good. Man, like, just summer is amazing. I don't know what else to say, man. Like, it's just a basic square neck top. I can't like fluff it up, but it's just really good. It's a good find. Anyways, moving on. All right, hydration. All right, so the next one is a mini v-neck top. Such a cute design. Love it on its own. Also love it with cast wide leg culottes as a set. So good to go this summer. So yeah, very good finds from me to you. You're welcome. Anyway, so the next one is the Valley Jumpsuit from Peppermint magazine. I really love this jumpsuit. I'm not a jumpsuit girl, but I just think this jumpsuit gives me, I'm on my way to paint a canvas that's gonna cost £3,000. Get out of my way, I am a creative genius. There's like a bit of a button at the top and a slit. I'll skip that because there was already buttons at the front and you do not want to work extra hard. You just want to work extra smart in life. The next one is the biker shorts. All I'm gonna say is Princess Diana. If you want to look like Princess Diana this summer, or like Hailey Bieber, go for it. Free for you. The other pair of trousers is the Peggy Trousers. I think these in a linen fabric would be so good. They have just a more elegant put together vibe about it rather than the elasticated kind of linen trousers that you can find. So good shout. And the other one, which is the final one, is the Piper shorts. Now I have a pair of these kinds of shorts and I wear them all the time. I wear them at the beach when I bought them with my swimming suit, and I love them. So comfortable with a crop top, with your sandals. Such a good find, and I feel like I would recommend like a white denim just to kind of keep it cool and classy. All right, so a few more patterns I came across, which are not part of the official list, but I thought I'd throw them in here, are the Barrette bralette. Really cute. How cute is that? So cute. Then the Calla wrap dress, just the basic standard lovely wrap dress. And this, I'm so excited about these. They are the Post Albertine culottes. Such a lovely pair of culottes. Now the instructions are all in German, so you definitely have to use Google Translate, but I reckon you've got yourself there a winner. I've kept this quite straightforward, short, to the point, no point in rambling. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, again, it would mean so much if you subscribe, because what's the point in making videos if nobody's watching, if nobody's sticking around, you know what I mean? So it does take some time to put all of these lists together. I do my research, I spend time on this, so I'm not asking you for your email address, I'm just asking for you to just click a button. You can do it. Thank you so much. Anyways, sending you lots of love. Hope you're having a lovely day. What's new with me? No, nothing. I'm just really excited to make this dress. So please help me choose the fabric in the comments below. So this should be my project in the next few weeks. I'm very excited. I'm going back to London. If you don't know, I've moved to Oxford, but I'm going back to London to see some family and hopefully some friends this weekend. Yeah, and in a few weeks we're gonna move into our space here in Oxford. We've been in kind of a temporary accommodation, sort of a very small place, but we're moving into a bigger place, and there is gonna be a little sewing studio. Maybe, I hope so. Anyway, it's like an office, spare room, guest room, sewing studio. I'm so excited for that. What else do I want to say? I'm so grateful for these people for putting their patterns out for free. Thank you, people. I hope generosity comes back at you and you find generous people in your life. I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.